Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by enabling WSL and choosing a distro so you can run real Linux tools. Once enabled, install Ubuntu and create a username. This gives you a persistent home. Then, update packages and install Build Essential, Git, and curl so compiling and version control work. Make sure to set Windows Terminal or default shell for easy access. Doing these actions now prevents later permission or missing tool issues and lets you focus on coding rather than chasing basic errors. Once done with the base tools, install your language runtimes and package managers so builds run predictably. You should generate SSH keys and add them to your remote Git account. This avoids repeated authentication prompts. Configure Git user, name and user. Email, then clone your repo into your Linux home. It's faster than editing across /mnt. Also, install your editor or VS Code remote WSL extension to bridge the GUI, because that gives seamless editing and debugging. Now build and run your project inside WSL so environment paths match production. Use Docker with WSL2 or the VS Code remote extension to debug and run tests with full toolchain access. Make sure to set correct file permissions and executable bits, otherwise scripts won't run. If something fails, look at kernel messages with dmesc, check/var/log for service errors, and verify Windows Defender or antivirus isn't locking files. Adjust mount.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.